Sit back and relax in the comfort of your home. Amana.
Sometimes deciding what our next show should be about is not an easy decision.
Heat pumps, inverters, condensers. I mean, there's so many choices.
At first, I thought this show should be about regular maintenance.
And then I said, Olivia, make a decision.
And that gave me a great idea. A really big decision for homeowners is whether to repair or replace.
Now, you may have one of these older units. It doesn't quite seem to be working well, and before it completely breaks down, you're going to be faced with a decision as to whether to repair it or replace it. Now, that's what we're here to talk about with Ed and Rachel.
Oh, they're here. Let's go.
Hey, it's Tim and Olivia.
Hi, guys. I'm Olivia.
Tim Baldwin, pleasure to meet you. Beautiful
Nice
home.
to meet you. So, I hear you might have a pretty big decision coming up.
We'll see. Yeah, have a seat, please. We moved in here and inherited a fairly old heating and cooling system.
Well, it might be close to time to start thinking about whether to repair the old system or replace it with a new, more energy efficient one.
Well, the system we have now keeps us pretty comfy.
Ed, last year I was cold until June and then I was hot until October.
But is your home's indoor comfort consistent or efficient?
I don't know, so probably not.
Definitely not.
Well, even if you can get parts for your current system, they might be a little pricey.
And Amana brand has new units with SEER ratings up to 24.5.
I'm thinking the system we have now still has a lot of life to it.
I think you should have read its last rights years ago, Ed.
Just so you know, it's likely to break down.
Yeah, and probably on the hottest or coldest day of the year.
But replacement? No, that's gotta be expensive.
But not as much as Saint-Tropez in the winter and Cape Cod in the summer.
Touche.
Now, you may spend a little more, but the money that you save in monthly energy use will make a big difference. And your local Amana brand dealer likely has a comfortable financing plan, too.
Making the right choice can be a lot easier when you call a local independent Amana brand dealer. And with his professional advice, you'll know whether it's most economical to repair.
Or replace your old heating and cooling system before it becomes an emergency purchase.
Now on to our next big decision. Pizza or...
Cheeseburgers.
Let's do it.
Ooh, can we come with you?
Let's go.
Amana. America's brand for comfort. Amana.